Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the City of English. Let me ask you something honestly. Have you ever felt that you understand English, but when it's time to speak, your mind suddenly goes blank? You know the words, you studied the grammar, you watched videos, but when someone says, "So, tell me about yourself," you freeze. If that sounds like you, don't worry, because today I'm going to show you exactly how to practice English speaking in a way that actually works. Not boring textbook practice, not complicated grammar rules, but a simple, powerful daily system that thousands of learners around the world use to become confident speakers. And if you stay with me until the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to do every single day to improve your English speaking faster than you ever thought possible. So take a deep breath, relax, and let's begin. My name is Alex, and here at the City of English, our mission is simple. We help you speak English confidently in real life. Not perfect English, confident English. Because confidence changes everything. Confidence gets you jobs. Confidence helps you travel. Confidence helps you make friends from different countries. Confidence changes your future. And today's topic, how to practice English speaking, is one of the most important skills you can ever learn. Because speaking is not about knowledge. Speaking is a skill. Let me say that again. Speaking English is not knowledge. Speaking English is a skill, and skills grow with practice. So today, I'll teach you why most people fail to improve speaking, the biggest mistake English learners make, a step-by-step daily practice plan, powerful techniques used by fluent speakers, how to practice even if you have no partner, and how to stay motivated long-term. By the end of this video, you'll have a complete roadmap. Are you ready? Let's go. The biggest myth in learning English is this: I need more grammar before I speak. No, that is completely wrong. Think about children. Children speak their native language before they know grammar rules. Why? Because speaking comes from exposure and repetition, not from memorization. Many learners spend years studying grammar but never practice speaking, so their brain knows English, but their mouth does not. Speaking requires muscle memory. Yes, muscle memory. Your mouth, tongue, and brain must work together automatically, and the only way to build that is through practice. Not thinking, practice. So from today, I want you to change your mindset. Don't say, I'm learning English. Say, I'm training my speaking. That small mindset shift changes everything. Now, let's talk about fear. Many people are afraid to speak English. Why? Usually because of three reasons. Number one, fear of mistakes. Number two, fear of judgment. Number three, lack of confidence. But here's the truth. Mistakes are not a problem. Silence is the problem. Every fluent speaker you admire today made thousands of mistakes. Thousands. Fluency is built on mistakes. So, if you want confidence, you must allow mistakes. Confidence does not come before speaking. Confidence comes because of speaking. So, from today, make a rule. Mistakes are proof that I'm improving. Say that with me. Mistakes are proof that I'm improving. Good. Now, I'm going to show you something powerful. There are 5 levels of speaking practice. Most learners only use one level, but fluent speakers use all 5. Level 1, listening and repeating. Level 2, reading aloud. Level 3, guided speaking. Level 4, free speaking. Level 5, real conversation. If you practice all 5 levels regularly, your speaking will grow much faster. Let's explore each one. Level 1. Listening and repeating. This is the foundation. You listen to a sentence and repeat it. Again and again. Again. Repetition trains your brain automatically. Level 2. Reading aloud. Take any English text, article, story, dialogue. Read it aloud, not silently. Aloud. This improves pronunciation, fluency, and confidence. Level 3. Guided speaking. This means speaking with structure. For example, talk about your day using past tense. Describe your favorite place. Explain your plans for tomorrow. Guided speaking helps you organize thoughts. Level 4. Free speaking. Now you talk without preparation. Just speak. Any topic. Even if you make mistakes, this builds fluency. Level 5. Real conversation. Talking with another person, online or offline. This is the final level. All 5 levels together create powerful improvement. Now, I'll give you a simple daily routine. Only 30 minutes. Yes, just 30 minutes can change your speaking. Here's the system. Step 1. 5 minutes listening and repeating. Choose a short audio or video. Repeat sentences. Focus on sound. Step 2. 5 minutes reading aloud. Read something clearly and slowly. Step 3. 10 minutes speaking alone. Talk about your day, your thoughts, your goals, your plans. Imagine someone is listening. If you have a partner, talk. If not, simulate. Pretend you're in a situation, ordering food, job interview, meeting a friend, travel conversation. This method works extremely well. Consistency beats intensity. 30 minutes every day is better than 3 hours once a week. Many learners say, "I don't have anyone to speak with." No problem. You can still become fluent. Here are powerful solo methods. Method 1. Mirror speaking. Stand in front of a mirror and speak to yourself. This builds confidence and body language. Method 2. Voice recording. Record your voice, listen, improve. This is extremely powerful. Method 3. Thinking in English. Describe things in your mind. I'm walking to the store. The weather is nice today. I need to finish my work. Thinking in English builds automatic speaking. Method 4. Shadowing technique. Listen and speak at the same time as a native speaker. This improves fluency fast. Professional interpreters use this method. Confidence grows from action, not from waiting. Start small. Speak 1 sentence, then 2, then 5. Celebrate progress. Do not compare yourself to others. Compare yourself to yesterday. Remember, fluency is not perfection. Fluency is communication. If people understand you, you are succeeding. Learning English is a journey. Some days you feel strong, some days you feel tired. That's normal. Motivation comes and goes, but habits stay. So focus on habit. Daily practice, even 10 minutes. Small steps create big results. Imagine yourself speaking confidently with people from different countries. Imagine traveling. Imagine opportunities. That future starts with today's practice. Many people think fluent speakers became good because they are talented. That is not true. Fluent speakers use smart practice. Here are 3 powerful techniques they use. Technique 1. Chunk learning. Instead of learning single words, learn phrases. For example, opportunity. Great opportunity. This is a great opportunity for me. Your brain remembers phrases faster than isolated words. Start collecting useful phrases every day. Technique 2. Repetition with variation. Say the same sentence in different ways. Example: I went to the market yesterday. I went to the supermarket yesterday. I went to the market with my friend yesterday. This builds flexibility in speaking. Technique 3. Emotional speaking. Speak with emotion. Excitement, surprise, happiness. Emotion improves memory and natural pronunciation. Try saying, "I can't believe it," with real feeling. Your brain learns faster with emotion. One of the biggest problems learners face is translating from their native language. Translation slows you down. Fluent speakers think directly in English. But how do you do that? Here are practical methods. Method 1. Use simple English. Do not try to speak complex sentences. Start simple. Instead of, "I would like to express my opinion," say, "I think." Simple English creates speed. Method 2. Describe your environment. Look around you and describe things in English. The chair is brown. My phone is on the table. I hear a car outside. This trains direct thinking. Method 3. Daily narration. Talk about what you are doing while doing it. I'm cooking rice. I'm opening the door. I'm sending a message. This builds automatic language. Now let's practice real conversations together. Conversation 1. Meeting someone new. Person A: "Hi, nice to meet you." Person B: "Nice to meet you too. Where are you from?" Person A: "I'm from Bangladesh. How about you?" Person B: "I'm from Canada. Is this your first time here?" Person A: "Yes, it is. I'm really excited." Practice this multiple times. Change countries, change emotions. Conversation 2. At a restaurant. Server: "Hello, what would you like to order?" Customer: "I'd like chicken and rice, please." Server: "Sure. Anything to drink?" "Yes, a glass of water." Server: "No problem." Role play both sides. Conversation 3. Job interview. Interviewer: "Tell me about yourself." Candidate: "I'm a motivated person who enjoys learning new skills. I have experience working with people, and I always try to improve myself." Practice confidently. Real-life situations prepare your brain. Many learners speak correctly, but not naturally. Here's how to sound natural. Tip 1. Use contractions. Instead of "I am going," say "I'm going." Instead of "I do not know," say "I don't know." Contractions sound more natural. Tip 2. Use fillers. Native speakers use fillers. Examples: "Well, actually, let me think." These make speech smoother. Tip 3. Connected speech. Words connect together. Example: "What are you doing?" becomes "what you're doing." Listening practice helps with this. Exercise 1. 60-second speaking challenge. Pick a topic. Speak for 60 seconds without stopping, even if you repeat words. Goal: fluency, not perfection. Exercise 2. Question practice. Ask yourself questions. Answer them out loud. Example: "What did I do today?" "What are my goals?" "What makes me happy?" Exercise 3. Storytelling. Tell a short story from your life. Stories improve grammar naturally. Exercise 4. Opinion practice. Share your opinion about topics: movies, food, technology, education. Opinion speaking builds confidence. Success in English is not about speed. It's about consistency. Even 10 minutes daily for 6 months creates huge improvement. Create a habit. Same time every day. Morning, afternoon, night. Your brain loves routine. Track progress. Record videos monthly. You'll see transformation. There will be days you feel stuck. That's normal. Progress is invisible sometimes, but every practice session builds your brain. Remember why you started. Opportunities, career, confidence, global connection. English is not just a language, it's a door. Let me tell you something important. You don't need perfect grammar to change your life. You need courage to speak. Every fluent speaker started exactly where you are now. Confused, nervous, unsure, but they continued, and you can too. So starting today, practice daily. Speak without fear. Believe in yourself. And one day, you will surprise yourself. If this video helped you, subscribe to the City of English, because here we practice together, we grow together, and we succeed together. I'm Alex, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Keep speaking, keep improving, and never stop learning.